Oh, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Alright. Oh, what on the wallet? Roger. So I broke both of my axles tonight at this fucking meat shit. Now North is towing me with Big Bertha. Yeah, North is on the phone. Say hi, North, my manager. And we got, is that Chan Lee behind us? Yup. Yeah, Chan Lee's fucking escorting. I don't know how the fuck I break both axles. How the fuck did I break both axles? Well, towing it back to headquarters, so let you guys know how it goes. Okay, bye. Did they look at us? Left lane. So, update. Last night at the meet, I tried to flex, ended up flexing my axles on both sides too much and broke both of them. So today I am going to replace those in the rain. Sick. Yeah, I don't know how the hell I broke both axles. Like, how do you break both of the axles at one time? I've only heard of people breaking like one at a time, but never two. Like, I'm already getting so much shit for this, but fuck, I just gotta roll with it. But anyways, shout out to AP Garage Barry for giving me the passenger side axle, because I already have the driver side. I'm gonna go hit up La Rochelle for his torque wrench, because my torque wrench doesn't go to the torque spec needed for the axle nut. But yeah, so I'm gonna go grab the torque wrench and then gonna go do my axles. So yay, yay me, yay. Thank you, sir, for the torque wrench. How's your car?
You broke 2 axles.
I don't know how I broke 2 axles at the goddamn same time. Oh, your car looking all dry and nice.
I think I waxed it.
You did? Let me
It made
feel.
no difference, but you know,
Let me feel.
it's not the same
Oh,
kind of wax.
why is it stuck? Nah, just kidding. Dang, who's big? Oh, is this the kinds? Your brothers? Nice. So it's all ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, we're in the tires. Well, I don't know. I haven't driven it.
Yeah, she ready. But yeah, I don't know how I broke both axles.
Makes no sense.
Bro, it was so nuts. Like, there's just a half shaft was spinning.
Spinning on
The axle side. Or like, okay, so like where the diff connects, like when the diff connects it was just like spinning. Like, you can see the diff moving and then the CV boot moving, but the axle hash or the axle shafts to the hub not moving.
also the spider gears or whatever is busted on both sides.
The CV joints inside, yeah, both sides.
The cups.
Well, the passenger side was grabbing a little bit, but not enough to move the car. If that makes sense. Yeah.
Doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I hope it's just the axles, but honestly, it looks like it's just the axles, because when I put it in gear, the half shafts are moving and everything, and then just the axles itself is not moving.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the axle itself is moving from the.
No. Only the half shaft where it goes to the diff. So like, you know where the diff half shaft, the ears and like,
Cups?
yeah, the cups, and you know how it goes into the diff, right?
Yeah.
So that part is spinning with the diff, and it has a black CV boot. That is like spinning, but then the shaft itself
Oh.
isn't. So it's like just rotating in there, Yeah, so all the CV knuckles and everything is probably all like katsu in there.
As long as you didn't blow the fucking
The dip.
six.
Oh yeah, no, that's honestly was my first impression. Like I thought I blew the dip. I was so scared. Like not the fact that I broke my car, but it's just like because I blasted that U-turn, ran the red. I was like, I hope a cop did not see me, and I was like,
Is that where you go?
literally right there, I downbird. Like I had to use downhill momentum to get me into the parking lot, and then freaking what's it called? North had to push me the rest. Bro, it was so embarrassing. It was so embarrassing. I was embarrassed.
Video.
Huh?
You made it into the video.
What video? Oh yeah, I saw that video.
Your horn made it.
My horn made it into what video?
Don't the Josh posted?
Oh, that's it? Oh, I didn't see Josh post a video. But I saw him post a video of me doing manjis or something.
Yeah, and then your horn's like before that.
Oh, really? I know, everyone was in love with the horn. I wish you were there last night. Would have been so hilarious.
No, but I won money.
Oh, you won last night? Nice. Are you just playing poker?
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, I don't even know how to play that. People say it's like Pepito.
No, it's worse.
Oh,
It's
worse.
all about lying.
Oh, it's like, what is that shit called? Bullshit?
Yeah.
Damn. Let me see your cowboy face. This thing is so nice too. I gotta put my stickers on.
That's what I'm about to do.
What?
My stickers on.
Oh,
I have like stickers from like 5 years.
on your Corgas and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want the after party sticker already then?
Yeah.
I have not the banner, but the banner's at home. I can give you that tonight or anything. But then I have the logo.
Banner.
You want the logo already?
Logo. Orca?
The Orca? You want the logo already?
Yeah, so I can figure out where to put it.
I was gonna put mine's like right here. Like how my lone wolf used to be.
Yeah.
But I don't know. You can put it wherever. Okay.
I was thinking back windshield, but then I can't see out the back windshield.
Well,
My rear view mirror, you know, here I can't see.
rear mirror?
I'm gonna put a sticker on that actually.
What?
On the front side of that.
Why?
It looks sick.
Well, you're gonna
wait,
put the
they're
banner.
gonna be banner.
Yeah, you don't need this. Okay, I'll go grab it. Mm. 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 Oh, it is pretty waxed.
It still needs to be cut into.
I know, it still needs to be cut in buff.
It's fine.
Or be like, just pass that up with it. Here, here. Just put one over here. Just right there. Just...
Who's your sticker guy?
Huh?
Who's your sticker guy?
For what stickers?
Your stickers in general.
Like making my stickers?
Yeah.
Oh, the guy that make my stickers is GK Prints.
Oh.
Dyrell, yeah, Dyrell has been printing these for me. But this one was the after party logo was designed by the guy Misaru Designs. Comes from the East Coast, and then this one, the NIH logo was designed by D from Area of Effect.
Oh,
Huh?
that looks nice.
Yeah, I like his style. But okay. I think it's raining. Damn. Rain. Always raining when I need to do something important. You always choose the best time to brake on me, huh, car? All my cars always do this. It's probably bad that I have this tarp on my engine when it's running right now, but I don't care. To all those people that are spoiled that have shops and lifts, you guys can suck one. This is how character is developed. Working on a driveway in the pouring rain. Well, it's not pouring, but in the rain. On your back. Just kidding. If I had a shop, I would be in a shop too, so. we at? Temperature's good. Yeah. All right. So axles are bad. I'm gonna jack it up. Check it out. Replace them. Bing bang bow. Let's go. Okay, so we got the car up in the air. The car is up in the air right now. Watch this. E-brake up. Why is it moving? Tires aren't moving. Oh look, the half shafts are. Sick! So sick! Oh wait, what? Oh, this side broke on the outside, and then this one broke on the inside. Sick! Stay tuned. Okay, bye. Okay, just finished installing the axles. I actually had to go run some errands because I'm on call this week, so I had some trouble calls I had to attend to. And yeah, so passenger side was easy, came up pretty cherry. So this is the one, I believe this part was broken. Yeah, it's snapped in there. I want to get my hat too dirty. And then this one, yeah, it exploded. Like this part was like stuck in the diff. I had to pry it out. Good stuff, good stuff. So yeah, both axles toasted. But new ones are in. Oh, cherry. Hopefully these ones last a little bit longer. Yeah, so see how that goes. But yeah, that was fun. Wouldn't recommend, but easy. Yeah, as you can see, it's nighttime already. I think it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Had to use caveman tools, no power tools, because noise complaints. But yeah, here's the current status of the whip. Yeah, sick. Post shakedown. So the other night broke both axles, replaced them, got some spare. Shout out to AP Garage. I think I'm breaking these axles now. I can just hear like choke noises. The lineup, missing Joe Jose, he went home. La Rocha, and then North is using Cody's car, shaking it down, breaking it. So something crazy happened today. My car feels way better than last time, but my gas tank is falling. I don't know if you guys can see it. The fucking tabs broke off. Looks like I'm gonna have to go to Boto House Fab and hopefully he can weld this and fix this for me and make it a little bit more stronger. Please. But axles are good. Tires is bald. Great day. I have dust in my face, in my eyes, in my hair. But chilling with the squad. Everyone just fucking bicking back being boo. Oh. La Rocha got his fucking colors on. Some stickers. Yeah, so. Damn, cars went to battle. Whoa, what is going on in here? What? It was a good sesh. Back to the headquarters and back to the drawing board. Fix, you know, typical fix, break, repeat, drive, whatever. Yeah, whatever that phrase is. But yeah, we're here just after chilling at the gas station. It's a good day. Sheesh. What is this? Fucking 1JZ? Bruh, this LS looks kind of weird. Wait, is this front wheel drive? Oh wait, no, I'm standing the wrong way.
Four wheel drive.
Oh, it's rear wheel drive. Oh, okay. Is this considered mid-range?
I guess so, yeah.
Hey, these are the engines that come out of Centros, right? You put the flash on. God damn, it's dirty as hell, man. It's dirty. Yup, that's an engine. Yup, that's a HKS fucking. Is that a fuel filter? Or air filter, yeah? Damn, it's so colorful in here. Fuck. It fucking looks like Skittles.
Maybe I should check my oil.
You don't check your oil? Bro, I checked my oil today, I was low.
We should check it. I'll do that when I get home.
What are we looking at?
So, you can send like videos.
I'm trying to look if something's wrong or not.
Android, iPhone, whatever. Without
Bro, my thing keeps falling out. It's so fancy. Wait, is it okay to have it recirculated like that?
I could just send all the videos.
I took it off.
Just send it and
Wait, what?
It downloads quick.
I took it off.
Oh, it goes to the cash can. I was so confused. I saw this hose and I thought it went like that.
Oh no. That goes both goes to the cash can.
Oh shit, you have the manifold on. I didn't even know. It doesn't lag with it? The one-off manifold?
Oh, it doesn't lag.
Huh? Doesn't lag?
I mean, you drove it.
Oh yeah, fuck. Oh yeah, fuck. I thought you had the stock one this whole time. Oh shit. Oh, it looks so sick. Hey, yeah, you know that manifold is one-off? Like, no, like, it's custom made.
Wait, you got one?
Damn.
You got Telegram? Oh yeah, you do.
Big body, 240. Man, I used to be dusty.
That fucking. Oh, yeah, extra fan. Fuck yeah, this thing is hot.
Bro, he got fans and only fans.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, he got them 12 o'clock boys. Hit that 12 o'clock. Oh, he tried. Yes, sir. Man, they going hard out here in the 76. Hell yeah. That's how they do, them boys. Nothing good happened after dark out here in the south. Yeah. Now, even though it's dusty, you can still see the glitter.
Just waxed it yesterday.
You just waxed it?
Yeah.
Bro,
The water just beads off.
let me see a slide. Whoa, that water just fucking, dude, that thing just fucking glided. Can I see another one? That shit just glide. Oh, bro, dude, is my car wax? That thing bounced right off. Bro, that wax, dude. Did you detail it? Bro, you did a good job, bro. Is that ceramic? Bro.
It's magnetic too.
Magnetic? Let me see. What is he taking? It's magnetic? Let me see.
Do you have a magnet?
No.
I couldn't think of any names. I just said OnlyFans.
Eh, never mind. Never mind over there. Red hat boy.
OnlyFans, subscribe, phone any
So,
money,
Northy boy, the manager of Nothing Illegal here. How was it drifting again?
Fun. I need to get my car ready.
Oh, yeah.
I want to go to tomorrow.
You want to go work on it tomorrow?
No, I want to go drifting tomorrow.
You gotta go work on your car to go drifting. You're just lucky that Kylo and Cody let you borrow his.
One more guy, this guy, right?
Oh.
In progress.
So how's your car going?
It's fucking headache.
Headache. Why? What you have left to do?
All 3 of these fucking dummies right. You see these 3 dummies? It's been through 3 of them. So I got 3 times the headache.
So you have 3 people to help you, but your car's not ready yet.
Yeah, cause you know.
Damn, bro. Damn. Damn, bro. You got something? You need some water? You sound like you're choking.
240.
Oh. Who you? Who you come from? Oh, Larissa going down on that squat. Do you even squat, bro? Anyways, back to you, North. So what? Anything you want to say to Kylo Cody?
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Oh yeah?
Love you long time.
Yeah.
Sucky.
So what? Anything you gotta work on?
On my car? Or this
No,
car?
like just driving in general. Look at you was throwing down.
Fuck, I need to work on everything. First time using e-brake today.
How did it feel?
Felt good, yeah. It's interesting.
Right. Yeah, you look like you're doing pretty good.
Yeah?
Not bad.
Sick.
Oh yeah, that was like your first time actually like drifting like SR.
Yeah.
How did it feel?
It was so sick. So different from a KA.
I know. Yeah, you press the press the throttle and something happens. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck, he's doing good, but I mean, yeah, everyone's doing good. Yeah. Fuck. Good shit. Yes, sir. I'm gonna drive this fucking piece of shit back home. Oh, have to go.
Ha ha ha!